Okay, so let's use some of our Christmas signs, and put it into a fun song called Must Be Santa. So this is how it goes. Who's got a beard that's long and white? Santa's got a beard that's long and white. Who comes around on a special night? Santa comes around on a special night. Okay, so then we have special night, beard that's white. Must be Santa, must be Santa, must be Santa, Santa Claus. Okay, and then we need who wears boots and a suit of red. Then who wears a long cap, a hat on his head. And then who's got a great big cherry nose? We'll just point to our nose. Who laughs? It's L's. Who laughs this way? Ho, ho, ho. Who very soon will come our way. And then 8 little reindeer pull his sleigh. And then each time they kind of like blend it in and add it in. All right, so here we go. Super fun. Let's do it.
Who's got a beard that's long and white?
Santa's got a beard that's long and white.
Who comes around on a special night?
Santa comes around on a special night.
Special night, beard that's white. Must be Santa, must be Santa, must be Santa, Santa Claus. Who's got boots and a suit of red?
Santa's got boots and a suit of red.
Who wears a long cap on his head?
Santa wears a long cap on his head. Cap on head, suit that's red.
Special night, beard that's white. Must be Santa, must be Santa, must be Santa, Santa Claus. Who's got a great big cherry nose?
Santa's got a great big cherry nose.
Who laughs this way? Ho, ho, ho!
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho!
Cherry nose, cap on head,
Suit that's red,
special night, and a beard that's white.
must be Santa, must be Santa, must be Santa, Santa Claus. Who very soon will come our way?
Santa very soon will come our way.
Big little reindeer pull his sleigh.
Santa's little reindeer pull his sleigh.
Reindeer sleigh, come our way. Ho, ho, ho! Cherry nose, cap on head, suit that's red, special night, and a beard that's white.